Avenue. Managing a choice activity. The choice activity is based on a simple premise. The teacher poses a question, and students select from a set of response options. It can be useful for stimulating thinking about an issue, allowing the class to vote on a direction for the course, or gathering research data. There are several choice activities in the Stage 2-3 exemplar course, such as sample reading choice or poll, sample choice, literacy, happy birthday, job search poll, poll, job search resources. Let's start with what students see. First, when a student opens a choice, they will see the choice question, or the prompt. They will also see the publishing setting. Depending on the teacher's settings, students may be able to see results either anonymously or with names, or students may not see any results. They will also see several choices, each with a radio button. Students click one option to indicate their selection. Then they click the Save My Choice button. Now let's look at what the teacher sees. Regardless of how the choice activity is set up for students, a teacher will always see learners' names and choices via the Responses link. After clicking on the Responses link, the teacher can view the choice results and download the data in 3 formats for record keeping or printing. The instructors can use the checkboxes to either delete a choice or change a choice.